Welcome back to yet another in-depth review. Whether you are looking to upgrade to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or whether it is worth a leap from an S24, this video is for you. Today, we are taking a deep dive into Samsung's 2025 flagship phone. And oh boy, does it have some amazing updates. Our audience in Europe, US, and Japan will find this review extremely helpful. Whether across icy landscapes or capturing the most fantastic cityscape, the S25 Ultra is equipped with all the advanced features one would ever need. Why should you watch this video? Well, we're going to break it down, not just what's new with the S25 Ultra, but also where the S24 falls behind. We'll pinpoint all these upgrades in camera quality, battery life, and overall performance that make the S25 stand out. And if you felt the camera of the S24 struggled in low light, or the battery was draining a bit quicker than expected, then Samsung sorted that out on the S25 Ultra. Of course, we'll be talking about all the key benefits, from that massive 250 megapixel camera through to that ultra-smooth 144Hz display. Keep watching to find out why this might just be the most exciting phone of 2025. Design and display. The S25 Ultra features a whopping 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display with an upgrade to 2K resolution, offering unmatched viewing experiences. Compared to the brilliant display of the S24 Ultra, this newer model promises far richer colors and sharper details for the picture-perfect moments. It could be the expansive white snowy landscapes of Europe, or capturing lifestyles in the vibrant cityscape of Tokyo. But the display promises to render every snap quite colorfully alive and immersive. Another major upgrade is in terms of smoothness, where the S24 Ultra had a very commendable refresh rate of 120 Hz, the S25 takes it a notch higher to an impressive 140 Hz. This improvement is a godsend for anyone who loves gaming or watching high-definition videos. The transitions are as smooth as butter, and the viewing experience is incomparable. For photography enthusiasts, the S25 Ultra makes that quantum leap. It sees a major camera upgrade to 250 megapixels from the 200 megapixel camera on the S24 Ultra. What does that mean for you? In simple terms, sharper images and finer details, or the ability to crop without losing quality. Think about capturing those brilliant winter landscapes in Europe or stunning cityscapes in US with incredible clarity. The S25 Ultra also introduces an improved AI-enhanced night mode, a high point that provides even better low-light performance. Compared to the S24 Ultra, which was already impressively night-shot, the S25's nimbler AI algorithm processes images faster and with more detail to make sure you get clearer and brighter photos, even in near-dark conditions. From the foggy dawn of a quiet Oslo morning cafe to the Fujisan of Tokyo, the S25 Ultra has got everything to make every shot look fantastic. First of all, battery life is a must in countries like US, Japan, Korea, or Europe, when you often drive for long distances or in cold temperature conditions, which really drains the phone's battery much faster. In such cases, the S25 Ultra hits the spot with its mammoth 6,000 mAh battery, a serious bump over the 5,000 mAh battery on the S24 Ultra. This, of course, will fetch you longer usage without requiring you to hit the charger frequently, very suitable for outdoor adventures, long flights, or even days when you are busy running around. But it's not just about the size. The S25 Ultra introduces 65W fast charging, a huge leap from the S24 Ultra's 45W charging. This faster charging means even if you are in a rush, you will get enough juice in a few minutes that will keep you going all day. Be it treading snow-covered landscapes in Europe or framing the city of Tokyo in your camera viewfinder, you will never have to worry about running out of juice at the most inopportune moment. And in colder climates, where often batteries struggle, improved thermal management means the S25 Ultra copes better with extreme temperatures, meaning less battery drain when you need it most. (5G) and performance. S24 Ultra versus S25. Whether you're in Japan, USA, Europe, or any other part of the world with advanced 5G infrastructure, the S25 Ultra takes mobile performance to the next level. Both the S24 Ultra and the S25 Ultra offer 5G connectivity. But with the Exynos 2500 chipset in the S25 Ultra, users can expect a noticeable boost in speed, efficiency, and overall performance. In comparison, the S24 Ultra uses the Exynos 2400, which is powerful, but the S25 Ultra's Exynos 2500 takes things a step further. This new chipset offers better processing speeds, making tasks like streaming in Ultra HD, downloading large files, and gaming smoother than ever before. If you're using heavy applications or multitasking, the S25 Ultra handles it effortlessly. Not only does this chipset enhance performance, but it also improves 5G connection stability. This is crucial in regions like US and Japan, where having reliable, ultra-fast internet is a game changer, especially in more remote areas where every bit of signal strength matters. With the S25 Ultra, you can enjoy faster downloads, more stable video calls, and a seamless mobile experience, no matter how much data you're moving or how many apps you're running in the background. For those who prioritize speed and efficiency, the S25 Ultra offers a real upgrade in terms of processing power, ensuring you stay connected, whether you're exploring the vibrant streets of Newark or enjoying Europe's natural beauty. Wrap up S24 Ultra versus S25 Ultra. Well, is it worth upgrading from the S24 Ultra to the S25 Ultra? If you're that person who is concerned with having the latest technology, the S25 Ultra has a number of key improvements that are kinda hard to ignore. For instance, the amped 250 megapixel camera becomes one big game changer, especially if you're in love with photography and you just want to capture every shot in even more breathtaking detail than what the S24 Ultra can pull off. From those awesome landscapes of Europe to the beautiful Fuji of Japan, be rest assured that your shots will come out clearer and more vibrant with the AI night mode present on the S25 Ultra. Besides that, the chipset on the S25 Ultra, the Exynos 2500, avails you of faster performance and better multitasking. The S24 Ultra is powerful, but the extra speed in the S25 makes a difference, especially if you use a lot of apps or enjoy gaming on the go. It's an upgrade that's perfect for people needing high-end performance, whether in the bustle of the city or in traveling remote scenic locations. Another major enhancement is the endurance of the battery. This huge 6,000 mAh battery on S25 Ultra will get you traveling or working all day without having to look for power. In colder climates like US, Japan, South Korea, and Europe, where the draining of batteries is a very real problem, S25 Ultra excels with more durable power and fast charges. Ultimately, the S25 Ultra is for the customer who wants nothing but the very best. It's more than an upgrade. This is a flagship experience that does and will make a difference in daily life. If these exciting features ring a bell, then the S25 Ultra might be the device for your next go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned for more reviews and let us know what feature you think makes the S25 Ultra most exciting.